Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear audience, most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today we are going to show something special and this content for as a matrix. So what we see inside the board, the title name is something special inside the watch. So this is 12 o'clock watch, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is a special number 5. Okay, dear audience, first just give attention the subtraction. Like 12 minus 6 equals 6. 11 minus 5 equals 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 7 minus 1 equals 6. So these all are subtracting, and now give attention here. The first one, this is adding this one 13, and this adding this one we will get here 13. 10 plus 3 13. 9 plus 4 13. 8 plus 5 13. 7 plus 6 13. So doing add we can get the same item here. Now do subtraction here, like or 12 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, the result is 6. 11 plus 1 divided by 2, result is 6. 10 plus 2 divided by 2, result is 6. 9 plus 3 divided by 2, result is 6. 8 plus 4 divided by 2, result is 6. 7 plus 5 divided by 2, result is 6. And now give attention another one. This one is 12. 11 plus 1 equal 12. 10 plus 2 12. 9 plus 3 12. 8 plus 4 12. Then 7 plus 5 12, and 6 plus 6 equal 12. So dear audience, we see here the first one doing subtraction, this one the doing the corresponding add to between them, and doing add, then doing dividing by the 2 we will get the same number. And this is now special one of using these 3 hands, like hour hands, minute hands, second hands. If the time is 10:10, then they can show 3 hands properly and they can mention the angle. So this is the specially designed, and this is also another trick. This not actually time 10:10. This is my birthday 10th October. So most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Hopefully see you again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.